Hello, welcome to Angular Step by Step course. Today we will discuss about view encapsulation concept. So view encapsulation is a concept or a behavior in Angular where CSS styles are encapsulated into the components view and do not affect the rest of the application. So here CSS styles global scope and apply to entire document but do not apply to the part of the document. In case of Angular apps, components goes exist with the other component. So CSS style will not override of the other components. To achieve this, we use the view encapsulation. So the view encapsulation can be divided into three types of encapsulations: the view encapsulation, emulated, none, and shadow DOM. So we are using default behavior is emulated. So we can discuss this every type of view encapsulation in the practical. Yeah, let's get started, and after that I will explain detail. So here we have taken some app component.html file. So under the app component.html, I have created two components: user component.html and users component.html. Here users component.html, I'm taking a parent. So I will provide some selector of user in this. So now user component is a child component of the parent component. So you have give here a users component is a parent component, user component is a child component. So I have provided this app users the app component.html, and I'm providing app user in the child component here. So I have completed that, and after that I'm entering into this. So in user components.html I'm giving h1. Sorry. So this is the parent component. I have given this h1, and I will style here for h1. H1 in the h1 font size should be 50 px, and text align center. And after that I have given color cyber color green given. So you can see the view encapsulation output here. So you can see view encapsulation here. So I have given the types in the user.html file. User.html file I will open. Here I have given emulated, none, shadow DOM. These are the types of the view encapsulation. So you can see, you can observe I have given a css file in the css file styles for h1 in the users component.ts file. So it's, you can observe there is no changes, mm, made by the h1 tag in the child component. So this is a default behavior of view encapsulation. It's already applied shadowed, it's already applied view encapsulation default. If I change this encapsulation, uh, encapsulation I have to give comma here. Encapsulation view dot malmuted. So this is the default behavior. You no need to give this method, right? So this method will do Angular add some unique html attribute to the component css style, and also the html implements in order to achieving the view encapsulation. So no need to give this one. Why? Because it's already running evaluated. So that's why there is no styles applied to that h1 and the child component. So here I am giving encapsulation, view encapsulation, none, dot none. So I have removed that encapsulation, I have given none. So now what is the behavior? So you can see that styles applied to the child component also. View encapsulation is the parent component. These types evaluated non-shadow DOM I have given in the child component. I have I have completed CSS for H1 tag in the parent component only, but it applied to the child. So that is the difference between the evaluated and none. Coming to the shadow DOM, if you style any global styles in the style CSS file, I have removed this CSS styles in that. So I have removed that. So I have given it the global style.ts file. Now you can see uh, if you then you can add shadow DOM in the one of the component. It will be for example, I will give a shadow DOM here, shadow DOM. So what is the difference? You can see, you can observe here. Yeah, it will not apply to the anyone. Why? Because it will not reflect in the DOM. It creates own DOM. So that's why mostly we are in this Angular application, we don't use the shadow DOM. So mostly we are depends upon the evaluated and none, depends upon our requirement. If you don't require any all elements of styles should be same, you can use view encapsulation none. Other than default here will be run. That is the concept of view encapsulation in detail with types. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel if you understand very well.